The significant shortage of skilled heavy equipment mechanics in the U.S. is causing increased workloads and pressure on the few who remain. This song is dedicated to you. Out in the field where the big rigs roar, with my foot on the pedal, I'm ready for more. Buckets tower high, reaching for the sky. Every bolt and seal, gotta get it right. Oh my. With grease on my hands and fire in my soul, welding the dreams, I'll make them whole. Compressors hum low like a sweet steady tune. In the heart of the grind, I'll be working through noon. I'm elbow deep in grind, fixing up the engines. I ain't got no tone. Well, sparks flying, lighting up the night. In the heat of the battle, we're ready to fight. With grease on my fire in my soul, welding the dreams, I'll make them whole. Compressors hum low like a sweet steady tune. In the heart of the grind, I'll be working through noon. Hydraulics and gears, they sing their one song. In the shadow of giants, I know where I belong. From dawn till sunset, it's a rugged call. Making sure they run right, I'll conquer it all. When that crane swings low, I bring it to life. Every welding anthem through struggle and strife feels like I'm dancing with a heavy metal heart. In this life of yellow iron, I'm playing my part. With grease on my hands and fire in my soul, welding the dreams, I'll make them whole. Compressors hum low like a sweet steady tune. In the heart of the grind, I'll be working through noon. So here's to the heavy, to the grind in my truck. With the tools of my trade, I'll never give up. Underneath the stars, with the world in my hands, in this dance of machinery, I'll make my stand.